Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure with me. This time I am making a DIY cup holder out of hot glue yet again. If you haven't noticed, the hot glue gun thing is kind of a parody on all the DIY life hack hot glue gun channels there are out there. So I'm making a cup holder specifically for just this cup. I won't really be able to use it for any other cup but the cup I make it, so it's not really that useful across the board. Anyway, we're going to make it anyways, because we can. Also, if you haven't noticed, I got a ring light, so more light on me, more light on the project when I'm actually doing it. While you're watching this portion of me getting things off of the other pieces, if you would like to stay up to date on my videos, my schedule, what I'm doing currently during my day, please go follow my Instagram at @simpleberry_welly. I will link it down below in the description as well. Okay, that is it. I am now covered in black and pink paint. Not so much pink, but just kind of black. We have made whatever this is now. I had originally said it was going to be a holder for this, and I guess it's true to its word. It can do that. It can hold the cup that I made it for. The show test is going to be if this just falls off, though. Well, it's not falling off. It's not exactly easy to handle though, because it's a little too small for holding purposes. It's not really comfortable. I guess if you're gonna do this, make a couple layers so there's at least something more to grab onto. But it's a success nonetheless. It's not beautiful, but it's a success, which is good in my book. That's one of those problems I have with hot glue though, is one of the problems I have with hot glue a lot of the time though is this good old stringy stuff, because it gets everywhere. I've seen people make things before that have no strings anywhere, and I don't know where you learned to not make strings all of your pieces. Either way, thank you for joining me for this adventure. I hope you enjoyed looking at how to make this cup holder thing that you don't even have to put the cup in it. You could put the cup in here if you wanted, but you don't have to. You can just hold it and use it as a wastebasket. I'll just put, maybe make the bottom solid if you're gonna put things in there that are gonna fall right through. I can put this roll of tape in here. There, it's useful to hold my roll of tape. So thank you for joining me in making this holder, and I hope to see you in the future on the next adventure. Bye-bye.